Tomorrow we're going to hit 60 to 62 degrees, but we're going to hit that about noon to 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So after that, temperatures are going to drop. Still going to be nice out there. At 5 o'clock, still at 50 degrees. So for the afternoon, we're in the 50s, but the wind really going to be picking up with those gusts up to around 40 to 50 miles per hour. And you'll see that here, how they really increase as we go through the day, potentially even higher in some locations. So next 4 days look like this: 46 degrees for your high on Saturday, mostly cloudy skies on Sunday, 38 degrees. We don't get out of the 30s. We'll have a chance for light snow or flurries. Monday, flurries, 34 for your high. And then on Tuesday, we're also in the 30s for your high temperature, but we keep it dry. And then a chance for some rain showers on Wednesday as well as Thursday as those temperatures begin to slowly warm up. Here's the rain showers that moved through earlier today. This was round one of the rain that moved through the region. If you look over towards Indiana, that is round two that is set to move in, but that won't arrive until we head towards, well, probably after midnight, a little after midnight into the early morning hours. Most of this will be out of here by the time we get to 6 o'clock. By the time we get to 8 o'clock, this will be long gone. We'll even have some sunshine as we go through tomorrow and some snow up to the north. So a little bit of everything as we go through tomorrow. On Saturday, further north you are, better chance for clouds. Further south, a little bit of sunshine, and that'll be the case through the day. And then on Sunday, that is when we will have our shot at seeing a few snowflakes out there, possibly flurries or light snow. For the rain that's coming in overnight, the places that have the best chance of seeing a little bit heavier rain, a little bit more rainfall on the ground, that's going to be from Pittsburgh to the south.